Greetings, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to present an exciting opportunity, a captivating two-story house for sale near the bustling Karapitiya town. Join us as we unveil the charm and allure of this remarkable property nestled in a tranquil setting. This two-story abode offers the epitome of modern living, featuring 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with hot water, and a host of enticing amenities. Step inside, and you'll discover a spacious kitchen, dining area, and living room, thoughtfully designed to cater to your everyday needs. But wait, there's more. This house also boasts a cozy TV area, a delightful veranda, and a lush garden, perfect for unwinding and soaking in the serenity of your surroundings. Venture upstairs, and you'll find 2 balconies that offer panoramic views of the entire neighborhood, providing a captivating backdrop for relaxation and contemplation. Conveniently located near essential amenities, including the Karapitiya Hospital, international schools, colleges, supermarkets, and just a short drive away from the vibrant city of Galle, this property offers the perfect balance of convenience and tranquility. With a generous house size of 1157.0 square feet and sitting on a spacious land size of 11.2 perches, this home provides ample space for you to create cherished memories with your loved ones. If you're ready to embark on a new chapter in your life and make this beautiful house your own, or if you have any inquiries, don't hesitate to contact us at the provided details. Don't miss out on the opportunity to call this enchanting property near Karapitiya town your home. Your dream abode awaits. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more captivating properties and real estate opportunities. Until next time, take care and happy house hunting.